See children, calculate the arithmetic mean of the following data. Age group is given 80 to 89, 70 to 79, 60 to 69, 50 to 59, 40 to 49, 30 to 39, 20 to 29, 10 to 19. Number of persons is given 2, 2, 6, 20, 56, 40, 40 to 32. Age groups are given, mid values. First of all, the class interval is given, frequency is given. We have to find the mean value deviation method. See, we have to find the mid values. 10 plus 19. How much then? 29. 29 of 14.5. See children, find the arithmetic mean. Marks obtained 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 14 to 21, 21 to 28, 28 to 35, 35 to 42, 40 to 49. These range class interval means 0 to 7 is the 19 members came, 7 to 14, 25 members came, 14 to 21, 36 members came, 21 to 28, 72 members came, like that. See, class interval is given, then frequency means number of students are given. Next, we have to find the mid values. 0 plus 7, 7 by 2, 3.5. 7 plus 14, 21 by 2, 10.5. Like this one. Now, highest values are there. What are the 72? This is the A value. This one minus this one. 3 minus 24, 21 minus 21 by 7. These differences. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, it will come children. 10 minus 24, 14, 14 by 7, these differences. Xi minus A by C D value. Then F into D, 19 3s are 57, 25 2s are 50, 36 into minus 1, minus 36, 72.